Oh my gosh! Sakit na ng ulo ko dito, ha? Go, Lem! Nandun! Nasasaktan na ako dito, single. Nakaka-touch naman. Oh my gosh. Uy, di ba memory full na yan?
Maraming salamat. Ito nga ba ng tawag?
Ang tagal, ang tagal! Hoy, huwag kang bumaba dyan, Gab!
Itong kantang to kahit hindi ko compose, para pa rin sa kanya.
Nagpapawisan naman talaga ako.
Look at her red hair smile, 'cause we go driving for a while.
Ba naman to? Excuse me naman, oh, may nag-video dito. Hoy, Ninong!
I get my eyes into the world, no one that's easy just for me. Stop to get something to drink on my clouds and I can bring it to say you love her. Tell me you fix from the clouds. Hear my heart and beat so loud. Try to tell me, suddenly I've got all that I need. Right here in the passenger seat.
Ginusto mo yan, di ba?
Oh, and I let my eyes on the road, knowing that isn't just from you.
Ninong, wag kang dumaan dito. Excuse me. Ay, naku, napakabastos.
Salamat.
Woo!